Imagine a future where urban landscapes seamlessly merge with nature. Verdant parks and tree-lined avenues define our cities, their leaves rustling in the gentle breeze. Everywhere, a sense of tranquility prevails, with people moving through their days with a quiet peace. Streets are adorned not with clutter, but with an abundance of vibrant flowers, their colors a joyous symphony for the eyes. The hum of electric vehicles replaces the roar of combustion engines, and the skies above are clear, unmarred by intrusive power lines. This vision of harmonious living, where technology serves to enhance our natural world, is a future we can actively strive to build.
In our envisioned future, urban areas integrate seamlessly with nature, featuring verdant parks and tree-lined avenues that foster tranquility. Streets are beautified by vibrant flowers, and electric vehicles replace noisy combustion engines, leading to clear skies free from power lines. This harmonious future, where technology enhances the natural world, is presented as an achievable goal.